made it alive, day 2. What's up, Jenna?
Not much. Pretty well slept, I guess.
Kinda. I woke up with a headache, but it's okay. Nice view. Jenna almost dropped her phone down there.
Oh, we didn't walk past that.
Where? Look at our friends down there. Where's this elevator coming? Which one do you think it's gonna be?
That, no, this one.
This one? I think it's gonna be this one again. Lift bomba.
Lift bomba. Oh, I was right.
We made it. That picture.
Oh, our grab is here.
Jenna's running for our grab.
Agreed.
We'll find the grab. Alright, where's our grab car? Is that what they're calling it, grab car? Or is it just grab?
He's in a Toyota, a white Toyota.
He's probably parked right out front. That's our boy? Nope, nobody's in the car.
You? Yeah, that is it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. He's in the car. It's just right-hand drive. That's good. Oh, we're here already? We could have literally walked here.
Except there's no sidewalks.
True.
Look at all this bikes.
On the what?
Oh, I want to see that video yesterday of the guy getting hit.
Do you have it?
Yeah, I think so.
You're a natural on camera.
Okay.
Just kidding. My boys. Go to the pancake house. Because we're not.
Because we're American.
Because we're not white people.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And have a good day to you.
I can't pronounce it. Thanks, you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, see ya.
Alright, where are we going?
There's just so much to see here. The sun is out!
So beautiful.
I left my baby oil at home.
Alright, what are you doing? Tanning?
Tanning.
Is that you?
Check out
that.
check out those eyes.
Check out this sunburn. Perfect. Waiting for our boy. Our new friend, right?
Isa.
Isa.
That says no feeding monkeys.
No feeding monkeys,
You're
but
gonna get kidnapped by monkeys and held hostage. And the ransom is going to be more food for the monkeys.
you know what we're gonna do?
Feed the monkeys
We're gonna
anyway.
feed the monkeys. Or at least play with them. We have to play with the monkeys.
All aboard. It's 86 degrees. And it is sunny.
Is that our boy? Is that him? Nope. Sun's out. Guns out, right? Just kidding, I have no guns. Is this our boy? Is this Isa? Nope, I don't think that's him. How about this guy? Nope.
He's here.
He's here?
Hello. We don't have cool cups like this though. Just saying. Look at ready? Quality.
Cool.
That's quality right
That's
here.
quality AF. What if he's like allergic to cake pops, which they don't have?
Shit, don't even we could get him a cheesecake. It'll melt, but
Jenna, where are we going?
we're going to the Batu caves today to go feed the monkeys.
Yep. Trying to find our way.
We're currently a little bit lost, but that's alright.
Yep. Isa's trying to find out the way. Recording you. Oh, was it? I can't see.
Interesting.
Here's a banana. We made it.
Finally made it. Do you want me to get low?
No, just take it.
It bit my hand. Get it quick.
Hey, no.
Sorry.
What are you doing? What's up, buddy? What are you guys doing? Come. Come. Come up. Good boy.
No, you already have that one. I have a banana, a monkey on my arm. Oh, it has a seashell.
Hello, Yana. Sorry, what's up? How much?
Just one, right? Or should we do three? Three. 5 each.
Hello, that's me.
Oh, that's good.
It's awesome.
How do you guys like it? Lisa, how do you like it? It's good?
Very good, yeah, very good.
I think this is the best coconut I've ever had.
We just met the coolest
Coolest
taxi
taxi driver.
He has Prada sunglasses that match his taxi.
That he got for 7 ringgit. So boy. What?
President Donald Trump.
Oh, that guy. Donald Trump.
I don't know why his father and mother named him Donald. If you work for him, if he don't like you, inside the office, when he interview you,
Yeah?
you're fired.
You ready? I think that was one of the coolest things I've ever done. Those monkeys. Maybe not the coolest thing I've ever done, but pretty close.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Guess we're doing this.
You see the difference in our country? The
Yeah.
side of the vehicle?
Yeah.
It is different.